Hey everyone! If you've ever struggled to find the perfect fit or wondered how to measure for a new strap, this video is for you. Get a ruler or caliper. Measure the lug width. This is the most important measurement. It's the space in between the watch's lugs where the strap is attached to. You'll see that this watch's lug width is 22 millimeters, meaning you'll need a 22 millimeter strap for this watch. Secondly, we will measure the buckle width. Some straps taper, meaning they're wider at the lugs and narrower at the buckle. For this strap, the buckle size is 20 millimeters. Lastly, we will measure the strap length. Measure from the top to bottom of the strap. The long end of the strap is 120 millimeters. Now, the short end of the strap is 78 millimeters as seen above. Here's a handy chart we've prepared based on average wrist sizes. Find your wrist measurement range, and it will suggest strap length that fits your wrist. However, this table is not a strict rule. Choosing the strap length is all about personal preference. You may like it more fitting or slightly loose on your wrist.